Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on this laptop. So as you can see, I have the access to my operational system. Therefore, first of all, I understand that you might not have the access to it, since you need to access the recovery mode, I will show you two ways of how you can access this recovery mode. But before we do that, let me first show you the recovery keys, BitLocker recovery keys, because once you are in the recovery mode, you may accidentally trigger the BitLocker even when you're trying to access it. So it's better if you know the recovery key for your device, so that you can easily unlock your PC and not have to reinstall your Windows in case you get yourself locked in the recovery mode. So I'm gonna be using a different device to access my recovery keys. I suppose that you will too if you don't have access to your operational system. If you do, then you can do the same thing on your computer. But for now, let me switch to the other device. Okay, so what you have to do is access the internet, open the web browser, the search engine, and in your search engine look for aka.ms/myrecoverykey. So use this address, paste it into the search field, into the path field, and just press enter. Then here you'll have to enter your email address. That is the email address that is connected to the Microsoft account that is connected to your laptop, or phone number alternatively, of course. Then click next, then enter your password and click next once again. Then you might have to confirm your identity in order to get access to your to this account, to this website. To confirm your identity, you will have to receive a code either on your phone or on your email, and then enter this code into the following field if you'll be seeing it. But once you sign in to this website, you will see a table with 5 columns, and the first one is the device name. So basically what you have to know to find out is the recovery key for your device, for your laptop. So if you know your device name, you can find the recovery key that matches your device name. And if you don't know your device name, you may know the date when you set up your Windows on this laptop, and this is the key upload date, so you can find the matching one. Unfortunately, they are not sorted by date, so you're gonna have to search for it somewhere in the middle of the list. And the last option is key ID, and a key ID is the very important thing, because key ID is only shown to you when your device is already locked by BitLocker. So in case you get locked by BitLocker, just look for the key ID. You'll have to find the matching key ID here, and then finding the matching recovery key and enter the recovery key into the field in order to unlock your Windows. Okay, so now that you know that, let me switch back to the laptop and show you the first way of how we can access the recovery mode. Okay, so to do that, you have to open the start menu, then go to the power options, and now hold down the right shift button, hold it down and select restart. Keep shift button held all the time, don't worry, just Don't let it go. Okay, at some point you will see the please wait sign under your Acer logo. At this point you can release the shift button and just wait until you are in the recovery mode. Okay, so in recovery mode you can go wherever you need to go. You can use your touchpad here, so the navigation is pretty simple. I don't have to explain it. Now I'm gonna turn off this PC in order to show you the second method of how you can access this menu. So if you cannot access it by holding the right shift button, you can do the second method, which is simpler, but sometimes this way it gets the BitLocker triggered. But since we already know how to unlock our Windows, we don't have to worry. So what you have to do is press power button in order to power your device on, and while it's turning on, just hold the power button once again and hold it down until it shuts down. So right now I'm holding the power button. Okay, the device turned off. Now let's turn it on again by pressing the power button, and while it's loading up, just turn it off again and continue this process. Repeat this process until you see preparing automatic update sign under your Acer logo. Hold it down. Okay, and right now I think when I'll press the power button, it will actually begin the automatic repair. So as you can see, it does indeed. Okay, so right now just wait, diagnosing your PC. Okay, and while we'll be in the recovery mode or get locked by a BitLocker. Okay, so right now go to the advanced options, and once again we are in the recovery mode. So let's go to troubleshoot, advanced options, for example startup settings, restart, and let's see what happens. Okay, and I got the startup settings. So right now I'm gonna press enter to return to Windows. And that's basically it. That's how you enter recovery mode on your laptop. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.